Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is the special Expo 2020 livery, the Emirates Airbus A380, slowly making its way towards the gate at Muscat International Airport, as you can see from the tail cam. Usually when I'm sitting in the Emirates A380 or 777, I like to view from this cam. It gives us a special approach feeling even on takeoffs. Or you can use the other cam, which is located on the lower side of the fuselage. This livery has special multicolors. Base is blue, and you can see orange, red, green and light blue designs. So here it is, now awaiting disembarkation, waiting for the airport personnel to put up markers.